Hi, Lisa here, bringing you a Trinity stamp product close-up from the Autumn Rainbow release. I'm introducing the new 3x4 flyby stamp set. This set includes this adorable witch silhouette, 2 bat images, along with one sentiment that reads, "Just doing a little flyby." She's perfect stamped over ink blended night skies. Now, this set does not have a coordinating die with it, but she cuts so easily with your scan and cut. I have a few samples to share with you created by the design team. We can't wait to see what you create with the adorable flyby stamp set. So be sure to share your creations with us in the Trinity Stamps Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation Facebook group. Make sure you're using that Trinity Stamps LLC hashtag when sharing over on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Be sure you click that bell to be notified of new content coming to the channel. You don't want to miss any of the new Autumn Rainbow release products. They are all adorable.